Hi, we're down here at Trail Days with Brian. He's the owner of Vargo Outdoors, and he's going to walk us through how to depressurize the bot.
Okay, so if ever the lid gets stuck on, if you try to unscrew it, you will not be able to. It's actually amazing the pressure that air has. But the easy solution is the area in between the O-ring and the bottom, not the top, but the bottom of this area right here. If you just lift it up just a little bit, you actually hear the air, hissing in, and then that'll depressurize it and it'll allow you to open the bot very easily.
Perfect. And just for the subscribers out there, when might you have that issue that you'd experience on a trail?
If you go very high in elevation, it could happen. That's typically when you have an issue with it.
Yeah, I know I personally experienced it when I was on top of Whitney.
Oh, really?
And then all the way down to Whitney Portal.
Okay.
Was my first time I saw that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
great. Thanks so much, Brian.
All right, no problem.